Ah, Brendola.
Oh, the biggest Gabi. The biggest Gabi. No, I do good.
You don't ask me to do something.
Gang, tap with this stove.
Oh,
Tap with this stove, everybody. Balasa, Gan, it's really fine, eh? You want to know how much? What's the one for them? Okay. Gan, give me the way I want.
Brendola.
Boy, don't mark 10, $10, 10. I'll just check the one the same.
Brendola.
This two t-shirts how much?
That's $6,000.
Okay. I said, do I want to finish my store?
I get paid not already. I got me to hot na free. That one small money.
That's more money. Package all one.
The bread. When I 6 this
Check one, take that one. You take 30 or one time. Leave on the money there.
When you are table.
Okay, man, take another slippers.
Brendola. Say no touch your puppy.
What's coffee? Hey, damn say no. Okay. This two there's no.
$1 million.
I never take shoe.
Touch your Apple, that one fine.
This airport not big for my food.
No, brain.
Okay.
No, you dip out to this chap.
You put that on.
Yeah.
Okay, grand. Also the dinner how much?
Massive.
Okay, so no. Check one today.
The boy for farm.
Yes.
My no kaku. No kaku.
Grandmother, me I want me come. Yes. Check out me.
Bread.
Yes.
Hey, boy, don't pick.
No, I get to take one.
Fais qu'à finir presque est film.
Bonjour.
What's your calculator gun?
Bonjour, the price. $10, 10. How much passé? You want finir our store. Our biggest customer of the week. Enter we cancel the final.
You have 2 tennis, 2 slippers, 3 slippers, 25 t-shirts.
Hey.
Okay.
Boy, 350,000.
Okay, 350,000.
Yes. You don't buy in a way there.
Okay, that means you just give me 5 now.
Okay.
Yeah, you just give me 5.
Bread.
Yes, you just give me 5. Joss.
Just in this, out in this store, brain.
Okay. You move 4 now.
Bread. Oh, now it's time for another. Oh, out in a street.
I said, boy, go finish store. Our store don't dry today.
Italian pay.
Show me.
That's really too. Get away there.
Show me. No problem.
Where they are starting it again?
Na 42.
That's
60,000.
Bread. Boy, I said, boy, the price until 2 times.
If you can't come and stop 3 times 1 year, this fine.
Mama. I said, break all customers the daily, you can't do a store. La la.
Now, so all together now, you've been at 450.
450.
Yeah.
450.
What is this?
Wait, I'm to touch that one button. And that's not 500,000. Brendola.
What's that for you?
So now you pay me this na true more on a cash. Put up for do.
No, put up for Yes, okay, you say I saw no grand. I guess my theory, that your girl will pay me 700,000. That your girl will pay me 700,000 no grand. You say no, you put it in for apple. They went to you, okay.
Rich man, take 2. Toma bobo. That thing I'm making a very
I say everybody I wish you.
Let me follow up.
Oh man,